All right, so we start off today's video with some type of flower here. Now this looks like they might be using cardboard for this. We have a hot glue gun. Oh, they're making a mirror design. Well, this is cute. This seems pretty simple too. Cardboard and a mirror. And then some type of yarn. Now this yarn is really interesting. It features like a fuzzy material. I've never seen that before. Oh, that is adorable. That is so cute. Very cool. And if you wanted to, around the mirror part, you could do a line of yellow. Make it pop even more. Very cool idea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, I think they are at IKEA. Lampshade. So we already know what they're going to be doing, some type of lamp design. And then the other items they are using include spray paint and several different sized bowls. Whoa, they are making a lot of lamps here. Wow, I wonder if they're selling these. Okay, and they are using the puck lights for these. Great way to save on electricity. I love it. I wonder why they made so many though. Oh, I love this wall mirror design they have too. That is so cool. So there is the final product. Cute little lamp idea. Very nice. I like that candle holder too. Alright, so we have some different size styrofoam balls here. They're cutting them in half. And then they have a canvas below. So you know what? They're probably doing some type of artwork design. I've seen a similar aesthetic in another video. So they're simply just gluing the pieces down. And I think I've said this before, but this kind of aesthetic makes me think of like bubbles. Like the way that it looks, that's all I see is just like bubbles. This is another very easy project to replicate as well. So they're starting on this second part of the canvas. Now, here's an idea for you. You could paint this all one color like they are doing here, or you could do the styrofoams in a different color. I think that would be really cool, really add a little bit more interest. You could create like an ombre effect. I think that would be really cool. So they are using like a neutral shade for theirs. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow. Okay. Gold foil. Wow. Okay, well, here's another great idea you could try out. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, I'm picturing this in black, white, and gold. That would look, oh, so cool. All right, then we have some cement candles. An old spray can, toilet paper holder. I think she has some clay there too, some yarn. Okay, so she added tape to the top. Oh, she's actually using that. I thought she was gonna use the cooking spray as like, you know, as an old container and she was gonna like add the cement over that. That's what I was thinking. But I guess she just used that as spray. "10 minutes? Wow, that was fast." So I guess the cooking spray was to help the cement like not stick to the toilet paper holder. At least that's what I'm assuming. Wow, that is really pretty. She has like a little leather accent down at the base. Well, she's adding twine. I actually really just like, oh, she's doing different ones for each one. But to be honest, I actually just like the cement by itself. Like I think the cement candle on its own is really pretty. Well, she wrote words on that. Wow, that is pretty cool. All right, moving on to the next one. Looks like we have another mirror DIY. Some plates. Oh, she's doing a design. Well, that's one way to do it. Looks like she's doing like the, what do they call it? The wavy mirror trend. And it looks like she's doing 2 layers here. One over the other, creating a little bit of dimension. And then going in with some paint. So she just did 2 layers of white. You wanted to mix things up, you could do 2 different colors. That would be cool. Oh, she's adding some lighting here. I can already tell I'm gonna love the way that this looks. Ooh, very nice. Beautifully done. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.